Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, hasn't it? Anyway, today's episode, I'll be turning this IKEA cabinet into a kitchen sink. It's something that you may try to do it yourself. I'll be doing it right here in the service yard. So join me and I'll show you guys how to do it. Before we begin, leave a like, share and subscribe, and yeah, get straight into the video again. Right, before we begin, we need to take a look at the carcass or the cupboard. You can see we have two supports here. So I'm just going to mark out this space that I have to work with underneath the countertop. And that's because this is where the sink is going to be, that's where the piping is going to be, and I don't want to be cutting into these two supports. So we'll go ahead and mark that out right now. Okay, so we have our sink all marked. We have the support marked out, and these are the corners of where the cupboard's going to be. I'm going to put my sink on top, and you have to keep in mind that this is mirror image. So yeah, I'm going to put my sink on top and figure out where it's going to go. There we are. So we've got that marked out already. Turn off my fan. So we've got that marked out already. I'm going to bring it to the service yard and we're going to cut it out. Yeah, I brought everything out onto the service yard here. I close that, keep the dust away, and we're going to begin cutting out the cavities where the sink and stuff is going to go. I'm going to be drilling some supports into the wall so that the cupboard, is secure. You don't just want to leave it on the ground. You want to put some supports in. Okay, now I'm ready to put on the tabletop. Before I do that, I'm going to run a bit of silicone around and put on the tabletop and secure it in place. And then we can get all the rest of the stuff in. And finally, we're ready to put the sink on. But before you put the sink on, you want to run a bit of silicone under the lip of the sink. Okay, now finally you can silicone this to the base. So this is the nicer edge. I want it to be in front. I'm going to put that all over. Stick it there. Okay, this is Max Bond. So just spread it all over there. And this way. And then this one just drops on top. Like that. And give it a while. There you go. Drain cover all done. Alright guys, so that is done. As you can see, it's been in use for a while already. That's how you turn a IKEA cabinet into a kitchen sink. Yeah, keep stuff dry. As I always say, moisture is your worst enemy. So keep it dry and it should last quite a while. If you like that tip, do give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Everything I use is in the description down below. And yeah, till the next one, take care.